Hello everyone. So today we're gonna look at a problem from IIT-JEE 2021 Advance. The problem is for x belongs to R, we have to find the total number of real roots of this given equation. The given equation is 3x square minus 4 times mod of x square minus 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now to calculate the number of real solution to this equation, we can do two things here. So there are two methods. First one is we can divide this into three cases, but that will take some time. The second method I prefer personally. So I'll write this given equation as 3x square plus x minus 1 will be equal to 4 times of mod of x minus 1. Since they are asking the number of solution, I personally use this method. When they ask you number of solutions, not the solutions, we can draw, let's say this is our function f of x, and let's say this is our one more function g of x here. So I can do one thing, I can draw f of x and I can draw g of x easily. The moment I superimpose these two, they will intersect at some point. So the points where these two are intersecting will be the number of real solution or real roots, you can say. So first I'm going to draw g of x. So first I'll start with x square minus 1, not with mod, simply x square minus 1. So if you want to draw x square minus 1, the roots of x square minus 1 will be you can say x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, and it's a upward parabola, so it will be something like this. Now the second is we have to take the mod here. For g of x you have to take, so I'm going to draw mod of x square minus 1 next. Now to draw mod of x square minus 1, we have to take the reflection of the negative part, because I'll get everything positive. So I'm going to do one thing, I'm going to take the reflection on x-axis, so the negative part of this x square minus 1, I'm going to take a reflection on x-axis. So it'll look like something like this. These two will remain as it is, and the negative part will be reflected like this, and you will get a graph something like this. Now in the second page, I'm going to draw f of x, and I'm going to find the number of point of intersection that will be equal to number of real roots. Previously, I've done the graph of g of x. Now in this slide, I'm going to draw f of x simultaneously with g of x, and I'm going to check at how many points these two are intersecting. That will be equal to the total number of real roots. So first, I'm going to draw g of x that I've already done. It will be something like this. Now to draw f of x, first of all, it's a quadratic equation. You can see here the coefficient of x square is positive. That means it's a upward parabola. Now I need to know the minima. To get the minima, I'm going to immediately differentiate the function. So f dash of x will be equal to 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. And from here, we'll get x is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now, to get the y coordinate, I'm going to put the x is equal to minus 1 by 6 in the function. And we'll get this as minus 13 divided by 12. So I got the minima of the function. It will be somewhere here. Minus 1 by 6, comma, minus 13 divided by 12. Since it's upward parabola, it's going to cross x-axis at some point. That will be the root of this quadratic equation. So let's calculate the root. So x will be equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac and root over. That will be 13 divided by 2a, that is 6. So we'll be having two roots, okay. Something x is equal to minus 1, and it is close to 30, root over 13 is close to 3. So minus 3 point something something divided by 6, and minus 1 plus 3 point something something divided by 6. Now we got both of the roots, and let me mark these 2 points. So first point is minus 1 comma 0, and this point is 1 comma 0. Now I'm going to mark where are the roots. So first root is minus 2 by 3 something something. So it will be somewhere here. You can check here. And the second root is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 something. So it will be here. So let me draw f of x with red ink so there won't be any confusion. You can clearly see the point of intersection. Since it's upward parabola, I'm drawing with minima. It is something like this and something like this. The diagram is not proper. Now it is going to cross g of x at this point and at this point. You can see here. Clearly, we got 2 points of intersection, that means 2 real roots. Now, there is a problem. After this point, this given point, there are two cases. The first one is something like this, and the second one is something like this. Now, how to check which case is there for f of x? There is an ambiguity clearly. So there's a best method is to check the derivative. So f dash of x will be equal to 6x and g dash of x will be equal to 8x for x greater than 0. Now the rate of change of g is more than f of x. That means g is going to overtake f of x at some point, clearly visible. So it's not possible that the f of x will remain in the second case, because in second case f of x is greater than g of x, and clearly with rate change it's not there. Okay, so I'm going to rule out the second case and we'll go with the first case. Again, I'm saying the diagram is not proper, so it'll be something like this. Why? Because the rate of change of g of x is more than f of x. So clearly we'll be having in total 4 solutions. So that is the final answer, and that will be the number of real roots for this equation. And